How to change TikTok app language. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. Make sure you are using application and not the website because the website version does not give this feature. After that, go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from your top right, go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and in this content and display section, you will see an option language. Simply tap on it. After that, you will see another option on top that is app language. Tap on it. Now a bunch of languages will appear over here. Simply select the language that is best suitable for you and then select done. Now your app language. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.